Congratulations, fifth graders who are promoting. Take a big breath. You know how to do this, and it's going to be fantastic when it's finished. You are going to come up here to your 9 blocks, right? And go to Google Classroom. From Google Classroom, you are going to open up the assignment that says 5th grade promotion slide deck. Okay? Here you will place a picture of yourself as a baby or toddler. Here you will place a current picture of you. This here is where you will write a favorite memory from LMDES, and you do not have to keep this font size. If you want to write a little bit more with a smaller font, that is absolutely fine. Your name will go up here on the slide. All right, so your name goes here. Okay, now we're going to leave this at this font size. Whoops. Okay. The other thing that I want you to know, I'm going to show you a couple things quickly. If you want to change your background, right-click and go to Change Background. Okay, you can change the color background. It's no problem. Okay, just remember what we've talked about. If you're changing the background color, then you need to make sure that your font color matches. You're going to click it and highlight it. If you choose this color font on a red background, it's very difficult to see. Don't do that. So remember, double click, highlight it. If you wanted to do yellow on a red background, that's up to you if you like that color combination. But you just want to make sure there's enough contrast between the two. Okay? And then remember, if you want to change the way it looks, you come here and you pick the font that you like. Okay, remember that? Then let's see what else you know how to do. You can change the size of this if you need to, so you would highlight it all. If you're going to write more, come up here and just put in your new number and hit enter. That's how you'll change that. Okay, to insert your picture, you click on it and you say insert, and you'll go to image, and you probably have it saved on your computer, so you'll upload from your computer. You'll pop it right in there. To change the size of your image, you click. You have your 4 corners that have your blocks, and you just pinch and grab. You can make it smaller. You can make it bigger. If you want to move the whole piece, you want to have the 4 arrows. Whoops, and you can click that and drag that wherever you need to. So we'll try it on this guy right here. There we go. And click and drag that. Maybe. There we go. Okay. Let's see. I think that might be all you need to know. And then when you're done, you're going to go ahead and hit submit, and then we'll work the magic from there. If you have any questions, reach out. I miss you.